Hey YouTubers and subscribers, welcome to JayJay's PC Builds. Big news! In 1 week I'm launching the Masterclass for the PCs, basically PC Masterclass. Your chance to perfect your craft and build PCs with confidence and your ultimate resource for mastering PC builds. Now, get this. As becoming a JayJay PC Builds YouTube member, you'll get exclusive one-on-one live Q&A sessions and early access to content before anyone else. So no more guessing, no more piecing together scattered reviews. You'll get the focused attention you need. Want in? Click the join button below and become a YouTube member here on the channel and be a part of the masterclass. For less than a fraction of what PC techs would charge, my PC Masterclass will give you exclusive one-on-one guidance, live Q&As, and in-depth tutorials giving you the skills you need to build and optimize your PC without the hefty price tag. So, coming down into the close, I just basically want to thank all my supporters. Your membership helps this channel and grow. It helps it to grow. And I can't wait to take PC building to the next level with you, so you can see inside PCs and what's going on with the masterclass. So if you want to become a part of it, make sure you subscribe and you like, and if you want to be a member, click the link in the description below and you become a member today. But until the next time, this is JayJay on JayJay's PC Builds. We will see you on the next video.